How's it going, everyone? Welcome to our next episode of Is It Worth It? Wish.com reviews. As you can see, sun's out, guns out. Also, still no setup here. I'm in my famous blue bungee chair. But enough about me. Grant, I know this is your item here. And I can already tell you, quite a steal. $2.
Yep, so I got this on sale on wish.com. It was $2. As you can see, it's an ultra mini wireless keyboard.
Mm-hmm.
So it connects via USB, which is on that little top thing there if you want to pop it out.
Yes, sir.
And it recharges via micro USB as this little holder. I've noticed the battery charge lasts about 4 hours or so. But if we go ahead and show you the face, so it has all these buttons, the regular QWERTY keyboard on there. It's got the F1 buttons, escape. It fits everything to this neat little package. And then it also has this touchpad over here on the right. And I couldn't fucking see you. And then also the mouse left and mouse right buttons to allow you to do anything you would do on your computer directly from this mini keyboard.
Mm-hmm. So I know this is good for, let's just say, I used the example earlier, if you don't have cable, which I know a lot of people are kind of getting away from cable. If you got Netflix, you got Hulu. I mean, I don't know if you really need cable, but let's just say for me, I want to hook up my laptop with a HDMI to my TV. I don't have to get up, pause it from my laptop, control the volume. I could literally do it from my couch using this little tool right here. I mean, like you said, you have the clicks, you have the little mouse pad. Even if I want to search YouTube, it's all there. I can just do it from my couch basically on the TV.
Yeah, what I would say this would work best for is if you are using this for a media center PC, like a PC that you're using purely for watching content, then you can go ahead and use this almost as though it's a remote, because you can do absolutely anything that you could do with a normal remote or a keyboard, but without it being big and bulky. And that way you don't need to have like one of the wireless keyboards I have, for example, is the Logitech K600. It's much like that, but scaled up like 5 times as big.
Yeah. So also, I was thinking of business uses. I know we could have done a little setup and show, if you're doing like a PowerPoint, you really could be holding this and just left clicking basically to go through slides or whatever it may be.
Correct. Yeah, but
I mean,
I will say for most business people, they're probably going to have the like slideshow clicker with the laser pointer and all that.
Yeah.
So I would say this would really fit best for either
entertainment.
I was going to say midgets. So really entertainment. But technically you can use it for absolutely anything you want. It even does have the arrow buttons on that bottom right hand corner there. So if you wanted, you could theoretically play a video game with it.
You really could, yeah.
You could. I don't know why you would.
Little CSGO action on here.
If you could get 1 kill with that in CSGO.
They'd be a bot, but...
No, on a real person. I'll give you gun game, so it's bad people.
Oh boy, I think that might be in the works here, but
that's a challenge.
That is. But regardless, though, like I said, so it was $2. You said right now it's $14 on Wish.
Right now it's actually still discounted. It's down to $12. With shipping, probably about $20. I would say worth every penny, because for me personally, I hook up my computer to my TV quite a bit. I even have like streaming boxes. I'm not sure if this would be compatible with any of the Rokus I have. Probably not. I don't think they accept USB input. But Android TVs, Apple TVs probably support it. I would say it's definitely worth it in my opinion.
Definitely, yeah. So I guess one of those cool little gadgets you can find. Totally not a ripoff. I know I've heard a lot of the horror stories, like I think I mentioned last time in our little headphone video, about how you order something for $1, $2, and it's just complete garbage, I guess.
Speaking of which, I also ordered another product on Wish that I did get, but I will not review. So I ordered these Bose SoundSport wireless earbuds. They were 1-to-1 replicas.
Okay.
1-to-1.
1-to-1.
Quotes. I got them. They are absolutely dog shit. Do you want to guess how much I paid for them?
1-to-1 replica for Bose on Wish. I have to say $40, $50.
$41.
$41, okay.
So $41. These feel way cheaper than those big ass AirPod fakes that we reviewed last time.
Now that's saying something.
They're so cheap the case they come in is this long, like, cylindrical tube that you twist to open. It's super weird. They don't charge in the case. It's so bad that I refuse to use it. So I wasted $41 that I may or may not be refunding. And hey, you know, I'm gonna spend money on that shit.
Yeah, just to admit the fraud on this video, but hey, you do you, as I always say.
Hey, it's not fraud. I received the item and it was not as described.
I received it and it was dog shit.
And also I cut this part out so I didn't get in trouble.
Anyways, so yeah, this is like I said before, as in for our Is It Worth It series, worth every penny, I'd say. I mean, you're the one who uses it. I just could kind of tell this is a pretty nifty tool.
I would say even though I got it on sale for $2, I would have bought it at $20, knowing what I know about it.
Yeah.
Definitely the one thing that really is terrible about it, when I first received it, it does come with a very bad micro USB cable.
Mm-hmm.
It's a split cable to where it has a regular USB input that you plug into a computer,
mm-hmm.
and then it has in the halfway point the micro USB connector that plugs into that, and then it has a female USB port on the end. So it's meant to be like a cable extension to where you can have more than one device plugged into the same USB port, but it sucks ass.
I see.
Yeah.
I see. Well, regardless, I think, like I said, we're 2 for 2 on Is It Worth It? I mean, I think everything we've done so far is. Next episode, by the way, which I don't know if we're going to get into Richard's famous gardening episode, which we might in the future. So stay tuned for that. I just got to go to Home Depot and grab some supplies, and oh boy.
Richard's gardening adventure to see if it's worth it.
Yes, which I think will be an interesting episode, especially to see what I bought on Wish, so stay tuned for that. We have some more electronics coming in, some more items, so keep that in mind. And, you know, we're not sponsored by Wish. You know, someone was telling me, man, you should get a Wish sponsorship. I mean, I freaking wish, right? Ha, get it? Ah, fuck you. Anyway, that was on accident, by the way. He's shaking his head at me. Oh my god.
I'm not mad. I'm just
disappointed. Anyways, but yeah, so this has been a review.
Yep, and with the end of this review, I did want to go ahead and also break into make sure that I point out, now we won't have much audio problems because we have these little nifty
I totally forgot
lab mics to prevent this from sounding like absolute dog shit.
Yeah.
Yes, but I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below for any Wish items. Link it down below if you can. For any Wish items that you would like us to review. If we can get them on time, because as of right now, shipping from China is
years
absolute hell.
Yeah. Yeah.
I think each of us I have 3 items.
5.
Waiting. Yeah. So
5 items waiting. So
he ordered all of his items before mine, and 3 of mine have got there before his.
I got a pack of stickers, which, if anyone is interested, I have some here, which it was just these rip and grip stickers here that I bought. The alien and cat. I don't know. I'm a fucking weirdo. But don't mind me with the Dutch Bro stickers. I'm a millennial, so whatever. But anyways, yeah.
Yeah, well, anyway, apart from the little mini, you know, we're going to start a new segment called Richard's Sticker Reviews. But apart from our mini sticker reviews, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and like and subscribe down below.
Yes, sir.